Adapting to British slang. When and how to use it. Hello language enthusiasts! In today's video, we're diving deep into the colorful world of British English slang and colloquialisms. Now, while slang adds character to a language, it's crucial to know when and how to use it appropriately. Let's get started. Slang consists of informal words and phrases that are more common in speech than in formal writing. They often reflect the cultural nuances of a region or a group of people. In the UK, there's a rich tapestry of slang, influenced by its history, geography, and diverse populace. Knowing and using slang can help you fit in with locals, understand pop culture references, appreciate the nuances of British humor and wit. But remember, misuse can lead to misunderstandings, or worse, come off as disrespectful or inauthentic. Dose. 1. Listen first. Before using a slang term, ensure you've heard it multiple times in context. This will give you a feel for its meaning and appropriateness. 2. Ask. If in doubt about a slang term's meaning or acceptability, ask a local or a friend familiar with British culture. 3. Use sparingly. Slang is like spice. A little adds flavor. Too much can overpower. Don'ts. 1. Overdo it. Using too many slang terms can make you sound inauthentic. 2. Use slang in formal situations. In business meetings, interviews, or academic settings, stick to standard English. 3. Assume universality. Slang can vary even within regions of the UK. What's understood in London might not be in Manchester or Edinburgh. The UK is made up of England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. Each region has its unique slang and colloquialisms. For instance, while mate is universally understood as friend, bairn means child in Scotland. It's vital to recognize these regional differences, understand the context in which they're used. Be cautious about using slang from one region when you're in another, as it might lead to confusion or seem inauthentic. That wraps up our guide on using British slang and colloquialisms appropriately. Remember, language is a tool that bridges gaps. When used mindfully, slang can enrich our conversations, but always strive to use it with respect and understanding. We hope this video helps you navigate the lively lanes of British slang. Cheers!